Airport live.
Yeah.
Heading back to Denver.
Life's not fair. We all know it. On a small scale, our travel dreams were dismantled instantly when our vanibus went up in flames. However, there are some ways that life can be more fair, more equal. This week, we take Thingy, our dinghy, for a test drive. Maggie changes the cabin interior, and we visit our home in Denver, discovering some big changes in our beloved city. Last week, we got a little virtual help from Kristen on Sailing GBU to make a hidden zipper for our life ring cover, and I start making some big steps in my recovery. Join us each week for a new sailing adventure. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to watch as we learn to sail proficiently, snorkel, fish, and navigate our way to the Bahamas, fixing things as we go.
Look funny?
Yeah, I did that again.
What?
Finally able to walk unassisted, we decide to get off the boat and out of the marina. So, I plan a little excursion to a nearby spoil island, inflating our dinghy for the first time in months. It's also a fine time to test the action camera that we picked up just before I broke my ankle. Fortunately, a storm starts to pick up, so we turn around and head back. Still, it's the little things that count, and I was grateful for that first taste of getting back out there. Maggie takes advantage of our downtime by remodeling our main living space, adding those little touches that truly make it ours. Yeah, that's me, catching some Z's before our late night flight.
Airport live.
Yeah.
Heading back to Denver tonight. So catch us there.
We're in a trance. To keep doing that, what are you doing?
After a good rest, Maggie and I took some time to visit our neighborhood. We were shocked to find a ton of new homelessness in our town. People who had lost their jobs due to COVID. Just regular people like you and me.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes. from the anger from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
We each have the ability to spread happiness. Doing so causes a ripple effect. Like mushroom spores triggering other fungi to bloom, being nice to others creates that same poof. It spreads. Here's a happy montage of Pimo that we hope brings joy to your day. It sure brought a smile to ours. It's a superpower of ours, that ability to be kind to each other. Just one kind act spreads, like blowing the seeds of a dandelion, and many people feel the power. And it made us feel the need to call one of the kindest people that we've met on our sailing journey, our only on-board instructor, Captain John.
Yeah, I don't
Back to the
know.
Caribbean.
Okay.
Caribbean.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look at that.
So, you guys swing this way anymore. I'll have to go visit you guys, I guess. Are you going to get right on it when you get back to Titusville? You're going to hang out?
Oh yeah, we're still hanging out until like December at least in Titusville.
Oh, shit. Let's get together again.
Cool.
The last few days were spent reflecting and seeing one of our closest friends from a safe distance. Before we knew it, it was time to go back to sailing Divinity. Being kind to each other is a way that the universe as a whole can become more kind and even more equal.
Look where we are, y'all. We're here.
Strive to be the best that you can be. Whether it's business success, athletic pursuits, like learning to sail, or personal relationships, put your whole heart into it.
Got some new shoes happening here. Yeah, or at least one new shoe. Yay, look who's wearing two shoes. This guy, that's you. It's laundry time. Gonna do some laundry, find some food in these mean streets, and come back and finish up our laundry and eat our lunch. Come on. Hi.
We implore you to do something kind for someone at work this week. Bring love, happiness, and kindness in, and it will spread like mushroom spores and dandelion seeds.
In the rain. Eddie. Yeah.
Not want to float in the Gulf Stream during low up in the north. When it also have a weather window with light breezes with nothing up the north.
Do you want a little piece of wood? I've got my wood cupped up here.
Next time on Sailing Dippity, Maggie turns her 2 settees into one huge bed for less than $20. I show how easy it is to change out a water pump, and we go sailing. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. A special thank you to our cunning chief mates, Randy Moe and Maria Figueroa. Get your name in the credits too. Sign up at patreon.com/sailingdippity. See you next time.